As part of our financial aid application process, Cornell uses the College Board's CSS profile to help determine your eligibility for Cornell grant funds. This online application asks for detailed income and asset information for you and your parents. It is available October 1st each year. Students can sign in using their SAT login information. While filling out the CSS profile, you should answer every question you have information for, even if it's not a required field. To personalize your application, all applicants will need to complete the parental relationships section and include all parents. If your parents are divorced or separated, you must select a college that requires the CSS profile from the non-custodial parent before that parent will be able to complete their application. If you include your non-custodial parent's email address, the College Board will send them instructions to complete their own CSS profile application. Through your dashboard, you can resend the CSS profile as many times as needed. Before the non-custodial parent can provide their information, they must create a separate College Board account. Most users spend between 45 minutes and 2 hours completing the profile, so be sure to set aside enough time before you begin and gather necessary financial records for both yourself and your parents. To complete the profile, you should have the following documents available: the prior year's income tax return, W-2s and other records of income earned for the prior year and the next tax year, records of untaxed income and benefits for the prior year and the next tax year, records of untaxed income and benefits for the prior year and the next tax year, current bank statement and mortgage information, current account statements for stocks, bonds, trusts, and other investments. You will be required to pay a fee in order to submit the CSS profile to Cornell. Fee waivers are available through the CSS profile for low-income students, and you will be notified if you qualify. Or you may be directed to request a fee payment code from Cornell's financial aid office. Here are some tips to use while completing the CSS profile. Instead of leaving fields blank, enter zeros in fields that do not apply. Be aware of Cornell's filing deadlines for the CSS profile. Once your application has been submitted, your dashboard will provide you with a link to the Institutional Documentation Service, IDOC, an important next step in applying for your financial aid at Cornell. If you need assistance while completing the profile, the application has tips to help guide you. You can also contact the College Board's Customer Service Department for assistance.